Hello friend, myself Pranav Dani. I am from Ahmednagar, Maharashtra. I have completed MSc Computer Science from PVG College of Science, Pune. So this is the original video. So today's topic is the keys in SQL and different types of joins in SQL. First we will discuss about the keys in SQL. So keys, what is meant by the keys? Keys is used to differentiate one database from different database from one table to another table. Means uh, from attribute to attribute. There are number of keys. First one is called as candidate keys. Candidate. The meaning of candidate key is the data tuples or attribute or unique attribute which uniquely identify as a tuples is called as a candidate key. A table having more than candidate key which can be uniquely identified. For example, if we have employee table, employee ID can be unique and employee Aadhaar number can be unique, and one of them is selected for the primary key. So second one is the primary key. Primary key attributes or set of attributes which uniquely identify as a tuple is called as a primary key. The set of rule to define the primary key is when we declare the, suppose we have employee table, in that we have to declare the employee ID as a primary key. Then after employee ID we have to declare it as the primary key. The set of rules under the primary key are as follows. Primary key should be unique, means if we declare the employee ID as a one, we can take the employee ID one repeatedly. The next one is called as the employee ID cannot be null. We have to put the value in that. The next one is called as the unique key. The unique key is the same as the primary key, but the difference only in that is the we can set the unique key as a null, but primary key cannot be null. The next one is called as the foreign key. If in the some scenario we have a result set which is we have query depend upon the two or more combination of two or more tables, which means one table has many relation with the other table. Let's take an example. Suppose we have department table. In the department many employees are working. The relationship between the employee and department is one to many. So we put the primary key of one table with reference of using another table as a foreign key. Means, as a name suggests, we to combine the two table we use the one table of primary key as a foreign key of two table. For example, department ID. We take the department ID, department name, and the department number as the attributes. If we take the department ID is a foreign key as a in the employee ID, means employee ID and department ID can be department can be joined. We can join their both table and we can set the result set depending upon the two tables. And now we will discuss about the different types of join. The different types of join are left outer join, right outer join, cross join, self join. That is the different types of join. That is all about the keys in SQL and joins in SQL. Thank you.